I absolutely hate black hat UX designs. These are designs that are purposefully built to function in a way that is against the best interest of the user. A lot of times when you want someone to take an action that they don't want to take, you can design things so that they'll think they're taking the action that they want, but they're really taking the action that the company wants. And today I'm going to show you an example of an opt-out process that I just encountered that is exactly this. Here's the screen I received when I clicked unsubscribe on an email. It says update your preferences, only receive the email that you want in the inbox, select the options below and we'll update the email preferences. The problem is that when the action that I clicked was unsubscribe, and then I'm shown a bunch of topics, my brain says, all right, all the things that are checked off are the things that I want to unsubscribe from. Now, the reality is these are the things that you want to subscribe to. And in order to unsubscribe from them, you actually have to uncheck all of them. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see here that there is an option at the very bottom that says unsubscribe from all. But if I already think that checking the boxes is what I have to do to unsubscribe, then I won't even realize, I might not even see or read unsubscribe from all because I just clicked unsubscribe in the email. Then I want to say update preferences here, thinking I've unsubscribed from everything where I really haven't. So don't do that. Make it very clear. If someone says unsubscribe, just pass unsubscribe to everything. Make the whole form be blank. Ensure that it is easy to do what the user wants. Yes, I understand that you are going to lose possibly email subscribers, but do you want people receiving the emails that don't want them? Worst case scenario is they're going to start feeling negatively about your brand and they're going to tell other people. So don't deceptively design the UX of any application, and it is going to be much better for you in the long run.